Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the edge manageable. Remove furniture and vacuum a clear workspace 2 to 3 feet around the damaged seam. Once cleared, use sharp shears to trim ragged fibers and square the carpet edge so it mates evenly. This prevents gaps later. Prepare your tools now: a knee kicker to tension, seaming tape, and a seam iron for bonding, and a heavy-duty utility knife for final trimming. Make sure your seam area is fully dry before applying heat so the adhesive bonds correctly. Once the tape is positioned, heat it with the seam iron until the adhesive is tacky. You want even heat, so move steadily and avoid scorching. Align pile direction precisely because mismatched nap will show. Press the 2 trimmed edges together over the tape and glide the iron across to activate the glue and fuse the backing. After bonding, use the knee kicker to stretch the carpet toward the wall for a snug fit. If the join lifts, apply a few staples into the tack strip to hold tension temporarily. You finish by trimming any excess backing or protruding fibers and feathering the seam so the pile blends. A carpet comb or small scissors work well here, and a final pass with a vacuum helps set the nap. Weight the seam with heavy books or a flat board and allow the glue to cool for 15 to 30 minutes so the bond fully cures. If a gap opens, reheat the tape and press again. If fraying persists, apply a thin bead of carpet seam sealer along the backing, but test inconspicuous first.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.